Friends, today's topic is very important for UPSC, TCS, TPS, TFS and upcoming agriculture exam. Here we will discuss MCQ on Tripura soil. So let's start with our first question. Which type of soil mainly found in the lowland area of Tripura? And your options are alluvial soil, laterite soil, rock soil and sandy soil. And your right answer is alluvial soil. In which area of Tripura soil contains high percentage of iron? And your options are Ambasha, Sabrum, Dharmanagar and Jampui Hill. And your right answer is Sabrum. The pH values of Tripura soil varies from 4.2 to 7%, 7 to 8%, 4 to 6% and 2 to 3%. And your right answer is 4 to 6%. According to NBS's National Board of Soil Survey, the soil of Tripura is taxonomically classified in which one of the following categories? And 4 options has given to you: option A, option B, option C and option D. I am not reading all the options and your right answer is option A. 5 orders, 7 suborders, 9 grade groups and 19 subgroups. According to ICAR, Indian Council for Agriculture Research, the soil of Tripura is classified in how many categories? And your options are 8, 7, 6 and 5. And your right answer is 5. What percentage of antisalt soil found in Tripura? And your options are 18.1%, 15%, 8.1% and 14.3%. And your right answer is 8.1%. Friends, here you can see our next topic is natural vegetation of Tripura. That will be discussed in our next video. What percentage of altisol soil found in Tripura? And options are 6.6%, 25%, 20.5% and 24.3%. And your right answer is 6.6%. What percentage of insectisols soil found in Tripura? And your options are 68.6%, 75%, 80.6% and 64.3%. And your right answer is 80.6%. What percentage of alfisols soil found in Tripura? And your options are 4.5%, 5.5%, 2.5% and 14.3%. And your right answer is 4.5%. What percentage of histosols soil found in Tripura? And your options are 2.25%, 0.5%, 0.25% and 1.3%. And your right answer is 0.25%. What is the average phosphorus index value of Tripura soil? And your options are 1.34 to 1.82, 2.5 to 3.5, 4 to 5 and 2.75 to 3.25. And your right answer is 1.34 to 1.82. Tripura soil erosion factors classified in how many categories? 18, 12, 5, 8. And right answer is 8. Which class of soil erosion is mainly responsible for Tripura soil erosion? Option are 2 to 1, 3 to 3, 2 to 2 and 4 to 3. And right answer is 2 to 2. What percentage of reddish yellow brown sandy soil found in Tripura? 33.05%, 55%, 25% and 43%. And right answer is 33.05%. What percentage of red loam and sandy loam soil found in Tripura? 43.03%, 35.5%, 20.5%, 15.3%. And right answer is 43.03%. What percentage of laterite soil found in Tripura? 15%, 10%, 5%, 13%. And your right answer is 5%. Our last question, what percentage of alluvial soil found in Tripura? 15%, 10%, 5%, 13%. Friend, you have to give this answer in our comment box. And if you need the details note on Tripura soil, you can send us mail in our mail ID. And still those who have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get alert for our important upcoming videos. Natural gas found in Tripura is of high quality with high methane content up to, and your options are 96%, 99%, 97% and 80%. And your right answer is 97%. Next, what is the amount of iron content in Tripura groundwater? And your options are 0.2 to 12 ppm, 0.2 to 0.6 ppm, 2 to 6 ppm, 0.2 to 1.2 ppm. And your right answer is 0.2 to 12 ppm. ppm stands for parts per million. What is the average value of pH of Tripura water? And your options are 7 to 8, 6.7 to 8.3, 3.5 to 7.5, 2 to 5. And right answer is 6.7 to 8.3. Next, High Hug dance is the traditional dance of which community of Tripura? And your options are Mog, Halam, Lusai, Riang. Right answer is Halam. And as per 2011 census, their total population is 57,210. When did Doordarshan first broadcast its program for Agartala? And your right answer is 19th November 1982. Next, When was Tripura University established? Right answer is 2nd October 1987. Friends, for your kind information, at present total number of university in Tripura is 3. Maharaja Bir Bikram University, ICFA University and Tripura University. Maharaja Bir Bikram University is the only state university which was established in the year of 2015, and Tripura University got the status of Central University in the year of 2007. Okay. Next, the Hornbill Festival was celebrated for the first time in Tripura on, and your right answer is 8th February 2020. This Hornbill Festival was inaugurated by Honorable CM C. Biplab Kumar Dev. Next, in which year Agartala Government Medical College was inaugurated? And right answer is 1st August 2005. Dr. Manmohan Singh, Honorable ex-Prime Minister of India, has laid the foundation stone of the Medical College building on 29th October 2005. Okay. Next, the Riyang Revolt occurred in the year of, and your options are 1860, 1863, 1945, 1935, and right answer is 1945. Ratanmani Riyang was the leader of the Riyang Revolt, and Riyang are the second largest tribal community of Tripura. In which year Tripura Territorial Council was promoted to Legislative Assembly? And your right answer is 5th July 1963. Next, Northeast India's first Kishan call center was opened at, options are Guwahati, Kohima, Itanagar, Agartala, and right answer is Agartala. Next, when did All India Radio starts its first broadcast from Agartala? And your right answer is 26th January 1967. This is very important question. Which of the following tribal community population of Tripura is lowest in number according to 2011 census? And right answer is Bhutia. As per 2011 census, their total population is only 32. The Bhubaneswari temple is situated on the bank of, options are Khowai, Gomati, Manu, none of these, and right answer is Gomati. This is also very important question for your upcoming exam. Which of the following national highway is not belongs to Tripura? NH 108, NH 208, NH 108A and NH 308A. Right answer is NH 308A. National Highway 108 connects Manu to Aizawl. National Highway 108A connects Julaibari to Belonia. National Highway 208 connects Kumarghat to Shabrum. What is the total area of TTAA-DC? And right answer is 7,132.56 square kilometer. In percentage wise, 68% of the total area of the state, and total area of the state is 10,491 square kilometer. Okay. Which Amendment Act of the Indian Constitution provides full-fledged statehood to Tripura? Right answer is 27th Amendment Act 1971. Next, the barrage under monomedium irrigation scheme is located at options are Dharmanagar, Kailasahar, Nalkata, Kanchanpur. Right answer is Nalkata. The Boromura Hill is a traditional culture of conserving birds has been renamed as, and right answer is Hotai Kotor. Name the Buddhist temple Vihara established in 1946 at Agartala is, and right answer is Benuban Vihara. Next, which of the following tribal community population of Tripura is the highest in number according to 2011 census? Options are Riang, Jamatia, Tripuri, Chakma. Right answer is Tripuri. As per 2011 census, their total population is 5,92,255. Next, the first Vice Chancellor of Maharaja Bir Bikram University who joined on 15th April 2016 is, and right answer is Dr. Gautam Basu. Which of the following is the longest mountain range of Tripura? Options are Atharamura, Boromura, Longtorai, Shakan. Right answer is Atharamura. Next, what is the total forest area in Tripura? And right answer is 6,292.68 square kilometer. Which river of Tripura confluence with river Meghna in Bangladesh? Options are Monu, Feni, Khwai, Gomoti. Right answer is Gomoti. In which year the post of Chief Commissioner was elevated to the post of Lieutenant Governor? And right answer is 1st February 1970. And A.L. Dias was the first Lieutenant Governor of Tripura. Which of the following is the second longest river in Tripura? Options are Khwai, Manu, Gomoti, Juri. Right answer is Khwai. Next, Bishalgarh town is located on the bank of which river? Options are Howrah, Raima, Bishalgarh, Bijoy. Right answer is Bijoy river. Who was the first health minister of Tripura? And right answer is Binod Bihari Das. When was the second assembly election held in Tripura? Options are 1971, 1972, 1967, 1975. Right answer is 1972. Next, which one is the smallest district by population in Tripura? And options are Sipaijala, Dholai, Onukoti, none of this. Right answer is Unukoti. Today's first question. What is the total area under TTAADC, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council? TTAADC আয়তন কত? And right answer is 7132.56 square kilometer. Next question. What is the total number of TTAADC constituency? And right answer is 28. Question number 3. How many members are nominated by governor in TTAADC? And right answer is 2. Question number 4. What is the total numbers of ST member including nominated in TTAADC? And right answer is 27. Question number 5. What is the total number of non-ST members in TTAADC? And right answer is 3. Question number 6. What is the total number of village committees under TTAADC? And right answer is 587. Question number 7. Who is present Tribal Welfare Minister of Tripura? বর্তমানে ট্রাইবাল ওয়েলফেয়ারের মিনিস্টার কে? Right answer is C. Mebar Kumar Jamatia. Question number 8. Chakmagat Barrage is located on which river? And right answer is Khowai. Question number 9. What is the average value of pH of Tripura water? And right answer is 6.7 to 8.3. Question number 10. What is the amount of iron contained in Tripura groundwater? Tripura groundwater e lohar poriman koto? And right answer is 0.2 to 12 ppm. Question number 11. Which river of Tripura confluence with river Meghna in Bangladesh? ত্রিপুরার কোন নদী বাংলাদেশে মেঘনা নদীর সহিত মিলিত হয়েছে? রাইট আনসার ইজ গোমতী। কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 12. Which river of Tripura confluence with river Titas at Banganj in Bangladesh? And right answer is Howrah. Question number 13. Write the name of only direct river of Tripura confluence with Bay of Bengal. And right answer is Feni. Question number 14. Which river of Tripura sharing the boundary between Bangladesh and India? And right answer is Feni. Question number 15. Which river of Tripura sharing the boundary between Tripura and Mizoram? And right answer is Longai. Question number 16. Who is present Revenue Minister of Tripura? বর্তমানে ত্রিপুরা রেভিনিউ মিনিস্টার কে? And right answer is C. N.C. Debbarma. Question number 17. Where the hydroelectric power station of Tripura is situated? And right answer is Dombur. ত্রিপুরার একমাত্র জলবিদ্যুৎ কেন্দ্র। Question number 18. Dharmanagar town is located in the bank of which river? ধর্মনগর কোন নদীর তীরে অবস্থিত? and right answer is Juri River. Question number 19. Who is present Youth Affairs and Sports Minister of Tripura? বর্তমানে ত্রিপুরার ইউথ অ্যাফেয়ার্স অ্যান্ড স্পোর্টস মিনিস্টার কে? And right answer is Sri Manoj Kanti Dev. Question number 20. Vishalgarh town is located in the bank of which river? Vishalgarh town কোন নদীর তীরে অবস্থিত? And right answer is Bijoy Nodi. Question number 21. What is the origin of Longai River? And right answer is Jompui Pahar. Question number 22. Who is present Fisheries Minister of Tripura? And right answer is Sri N.C. Debbarma. Question number 23. What is the origin of Manu River? মনু নদী কোথায় থেকে উৎপত্তি হয়েছে? রাইট আনসার ইজ শাকান রেঞ্জ। কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 24. হোয়াট ইজ দ্য অরিজিন অফ দেও রিভার? দেও নদী কোথায় থেকে উৎপত্তি হয়েছে? রাইট আনসার ইজ জম্পুই হিল। কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 25. Who is present tourism minister of Tripura? বর্তমানে ত্রিপুরা ট্যুরিজম মিনিস্টার কে? And right answer is Sri Pranojit Singh Roy. Question number 26. What is the origin of Khowai, Dholai and Raima river? খোয়াই, ধলাই এবং রাইমা নদী কোথায় থেকে উৎপত্তি হয়েছে? And right answer is লংতরাই পাহাড়। সবগুলি নদী লংতরাই পাহাড় থেকে সৃষ্টি হয়েছে। Question number 27. What is the origin of শর্মা? শর্মা নদী কোথায় থেকে উৎপত্তি হয়েছে? And right answer is 18 মুরা। রাইমা এবং শর্মা হল গোমতী নদীর দুইটি উপনদী। Question number 28. Who is present Science, Technology and Environment Minister of Tripura? And right answer is Sri Jishnu Debbarma. Question number 29. What is the origin of Gomoti river? And right answer is Tirthomukh. Question number 30. Who is present Education Minister of Tripura? And right answer is Sri Ratanlal Nath. Question number 31. What is the origin of Dholai river? And right answer is Dolojari peak of Longtorai hill. Question number 32. What is the origin of Mohuri river? And right answer is Devata Mura. Question number 33. Who is present Forest Minister of Tripura? বর্তমানে ত্রিপুরার বনমন্ত্রী কে? And right answer is Sri Mebar Kumar Jamatia. Question number 34. What is the length of Manu river? And right answer is 167 km. মনু নদী হল ত্রিপুরার দীর্ঘতম নদী, যার দৈর্ঘ্য 167 কিলোমিটার। Question number 35. Who is present Agriculture Minister of Tripura? বর্তমানে ত্রিপুরার কৃষিমন্ত্রী কে? And right answer is Sri Pranojit Singh Roy. Question number 36. What is the length of Khowai, river, and right answer is 166 কিলোমিটার। খোয়াই নদী হলো ত্রিপুরার দ্বিতীয় দীর্ঘতম নদী। Next, question number 37. What is the length of Howrah river? হাওড়া নদীর দৈর্ঘ্য কত? And right answer is 53 কিলোমিটার। হাওড়া নদী হলো ত্রিপুরার ক্ষুদ্রতম নদী। Next, question number 38. Who is present finance minister of Tripura? বর্তমানে ত্রিপুরার ফাইন্যান্স মিনিস্টার কে? And right answer is Sri Jishnu Debbarma. Question number 39. What is the length of Dolai river? Dolai নদীর দৈর্ঘ্য কত? And right answer is 117 কিলোমিটার। Question number 40. What is the length of Longai river? লঙ্গাই নদীর দৈর্ঘ্য কত? And right answer is 98 কিলোমিটার। Question number 41. Who is present law minister of Tripura? বর্তমানে ত্রিপুরার আইনমন্ত্রী কে? And right answer is Sri Ratanlal Nath. Question number 42. How many major river basins are there in Tripura? ত্রিপুরার প্রধান নদী কয়টি? And right answer is 10. Question number 43. Which is the longest river in Tripura? ত্রিপুরার দীর্ঘতম নদী কোনটি? And right answer is Manu river. Question number 44. Who is present PWD minister of Tripura? বর্তমানে ত্রিপুরার PWD মিনিস্টার কে? And right answer is Honorable CM C. Biplab Kumar Deb. Question number 45. Which is the largest river of Tripura? ত্রিপুরার বৃহত্তম নদী কোনটি? And right answer is Gomoti. Question number 46. Who is present social welfare and social education minister of Tripura? বর্তমানে ত্রিপুরার সোশ্যাল ওয়েলফেয়ার অ্যান্ড সোশ্যাল এডুকেশন মিনিস্টার কে? And right answer is শ্রীমতী শান্তনা চাকমা। Question number 47. Which is the smallest river of Tripura? ত্রিপুরার ক্ষুদ্রতম নদী কোনটি? And right answer is Howrah river. Question number 48. Which is the second longest river in Tripura? And right answer is Khowai.